Hello students, welcome to new chapter. It is chapter 10, what is cooking. This is very important worksheet for your coming online exam. So let's start. Question number 1, name the method of cooking by which cakes and pastries are cooked. We need to find out the correct answer from the 4 option. It is baking, boiling, frying or roasting. Students know that it is baking. Option A is correct answer because for cooking the cakes and pastries, the method is baking. Okay. Then question 2, name the utensil that is used to drink water. Spatula, glass, bowl or spoon. Students know that we need glass to drink water. So option B is correct answer. Then question 3, the first step to cook chapati is to make drop of flour to take out the flour from vessel. Yes, option B is correct answer, to take out the flour from vessel. This is the first step. Then question 4, the food item that we used to cook by boiling method is egg, puri, pizza or salad. The option A is correct answer. The food item that we used to cook by boiling method is egg. Then question 5, which is not a cooking fuel? Wood, cow dung cake, induction cooker or LPG. The option C is correct answer because it is not a fuel. It will be running with electricity. Okay. Then question number 6, dash is a liquid fuel. Dash is a liquid fuel. Coal, kerosene oil, LPG or all of this. Here is correct answer is kerosene oil because it is liquid form. It is liquid form. Option B is correct answer. Student, if you are not subscribe our channel, at first subscribe the channel so you can got all the class up to date time. Okay. Then question 7. Name the fuel which is used in chula. Which is used in chula? Coal, cow dung cake and wood, LPG or electricity. It is used in cow dung cakes and coal. It is used cow dung cakes and wood in chula. Then question 8, making of lemon water requires. When we need to make a lemon water, we need lemon, sugar and water. All of this we need all of 3 options. Then handi is used to cook. Handi is used to cook what? Rice and biryani, egg, puri, chapati. Option A is correct answer. Then question 10, utensils are made with the following metal: aluminium, copper, steel or all of these. The correct option is correct answer all of this because this all 3 option is correct. Then puris are made by frying, boiling, baking or roasting. We know that puris are made by frying. So option A is correct answer. Then question 12, a dash is eaten raw. It is not cooked. Pulao, omelette, samosa or salad. Option D is correct answer because salad is written in raw. Then which gives more smoke from the flame? Gas stove, coal chula or electric stove. The correct option is coal chula because it is given more smoke. Okay. Then question 14, food gives us dash to work and play: energy, strength, power or stamina. We know that food gives us energy. So option A is correct answer. Then question 15, and dash is used to bake things: oven, pressure cooker, pan or toaster. The correct option is oven, and oven is used to bake things. Then question 16, here is some true or false question. Okay, We need to find out the answer one by one. Onion is a vegetable which can be eaten raw as well as cooked. Yes, it is absolutely correct answer. So we can write true, because onion we can eaten as raw and also cooked. A chapati is made out of flour. It is also true. LPG is a eco-friendly fuel. Okay student, it is also true because it is eco-friendly. We used it. Then idli is prepared by steaming. It is also true. Pakoda is prepared by frying method. It is also true. So student, this all question are true. Okay student, this all for today's class. I hope it is very helpful for your study. So we will meet our next class. Thank all of you.